That Koli's generation wandered here and there through the world, and they began to start Kut or Ko. They loved to say that Kut or Ko. They loved to write that Kut or Ko. And they began to start to sell the Ved, the sell the Dharma, the thread, the raw, extra. They run here and there in the world to destroy that, and they're not ahead to sell the different kinds of Nishtur, Pramuttu Sahab, food, and they are wandering here and there to take. There, where was that situation? Where that situation, they go there and began to take that. And all time they eat. Where is eating food, they began to start eat. All that Koli's generation began to start it, and they began to produce the Jaro's son, and their santans were covered the world. If we see that, we understand that Kut or Kobad Bahula Dharma Vikrayino Samaha Veda Vikrahino Brata Rasa Vikrayino Stathaha Mangsah Vikrayino Kura Sisno Doro Parayana Paroda Rata Muttoaha Borno Sankara Karokaha Rasa Karang Papatarang Shotha Motha Nivasinaha Shora Sabda Uso Salo Bandhava Nicha Santhava. You see, there are different kinds of neighbor, but the Sala is best neighbor him. If we follow the Kalki Puran, we understand that there are different kinds of neighbor, but the best neighbor is only his wife's brother. Only his
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
brother. Only his Sosa Sabdasa Salo Bandhava Nichasangamaha. Sala is only wife's brother, is best neighbor of him, according to religious book Kalki Puran in this Kali Yuga. And they are small deho, they are papachari, and their outcall is called age of death. Average age is less. And according to the Kalki Puran, we understand that they are full of short, full of cheated, and their behavior is so favorable, dearable on the outer side, but they are full of poison in his mind. And their behavior is too low, and they are violence. If we go to women, according to Kalki Puran, vivaho vivado kalaha khubdaha kesha vesha vibhushanaha vivado kalaha khubdaha kesha vesha vibhushanaha kalo kulinadhoni naha pujja bandhu shikha dijaha vivaho kalaha khubdaha kesha vesha vibhushanaha. The women, here is only hair's base, hairs is only, and they are to laugh their alankar, and they are in violence. There is in quarrel. If we go to source of quarrel, you will find that there is woman according to the Kalki Puran, and they will be out once upon a time. In the ancient days, we saw the woman is in home, but next